When you log into Cashé EVV for the first time, you'll enter in your email address along with the temporary password that you receive from Cashe software via email. You'll then be prompted to update your password. You'll then be taken back to the login screen where you can enter in the new password that you created with your email address to log in. This is the home screen. This will show if you have any timesheets that need to be submitted, along with any upcoming visits that may be scheduled. In this case, we have 2 timesheets that we need to submit. We can view those. If you'd like to submit them individually, you can click any of the links down here. Or if you'd like to submit them all at one time, you can click Complete It Now. It will show you both of the visits. Click Sign and Submit. Click Submit Time Entry. And both the timesheets have been submitted. This is the Care Recipients tab. This is where you can start a visit with the client. Any clients that you work for will show up in this list. If we wanted to start a visit, we can click Start Visit, select the job, and click OK. This is the My Profile tab. It will have all of your information. At the time of this recording, we're unable to change the photo here on the desktop version, but you are able to change that on the mobile and tablet app. It will show you the amount of hours that are worked. And over here is the inbox. You can see any messages here that may have come from your client about approved timesheets. If you need to send a message back and forth, you can do that by clicking this icon here. Select the client, and if you have more than one in the list, you can select which one you'd like to send it to. Click Send, and click OK. We'll go back to stop our visit. Click Yes. You can enter any notes regarding the visit here. Click the Sign and Submit button. If we were with the client, we could click Get Client Signature, and then the client will sign and enter their PIN. But in this case, we're not with the client, so we'll just click Submit Time Entry, and the client can approve it later. If you have any questions regarding the Cashé EVV software, feel free to reach out to one of our EVV specialists.